Hi, I'm Sai Prasad and I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I'm doing my BTech CSC in NIAT University in NIAT. After my 11th and 12th, I wanted to shift to tech. Then after a few research, I got to know about NIAT, that I just registered into the NIAT. Then I got an invite from the boot camp also, which happened in Hyderabad, where I got invited. We spent 3 days in Hyderabad from 13th to 16th. It was good, where we had communication skills as English, where it was a competition on whose team would win or whose team would do more projects and get more points. So in that English communication skills, my team was the first and I was the captain of it. I felt really proud, all the teamwork which my teammates and everyone did over there. Outside of all this academics, all this pressure or whatever feelings, emotions, the only thing which keeps me activated or keeps me happy sometimes is gaming. And I really love playing games, like whether it's PC, console or mobile. One of my other hobbies are also cricket. I really love playing sports and all. Not only cricket, but cricket is my top favorite sport. So I've learned a lot from cricket also by looking at my favorite players like MS Dhoni. So after all of this, the main thing, technology, how I'm into this field, what motivated me is just gaming, because recently people who play games are facing lag issues, server disconnection, which actually is really frustrating for us. That gave me a thought, why can't they? What can we do? So in this technology, I would really like to develop a game, or at least do something which would contribute or help in this gaming scenario. To learn all this, I really need experience. NIIT really gives me the confidence and the support which I need. The instructors and my mentors, especially my favorite sir, Sparsh sir, he's so cool, he actually matches my vibe. He helps me in CSS or HTML. So I feel like NIIT gives me that confidence that I can go somewhere and do something which I like, preparing me for the future of how I can do it better, and making me feel confident of whatever work I am having or whatever ideas I'm having, which actually helps me for tomorrow or the future, where I can get an internship at least after 4 years, try to get into some company and at least do my dream to develop a game or whatever. Thank you NIT for giving me this opportunity and this confidence. Thank you so much.